Welcome back. We're back on the Sprinter. Today, important stereo upgrades. As you can see, it's a bit dark, but that just will not do. So first job, get that changed, then we'll put some new speakers in it, and if we've got time, we'll have a sub. Oh yes, much better. Right, time for some speaker upgrades. Okay, so next job, we'll have this door card off. We need to change this little electric window switch anyway, so we may as well put our speakers in at the same time. So we'll put it down there and let you come along for the ride. Now I think we can all agree they are a little bit pathetic, so let's get them swapped out. Right, so that's one side done. As you can see, nice new window switch. Got our lovely little tweeter installed. Obviously, mid's in there. So all we've got to do now is go to the other side. Okay, so tweeter, switch, and then obviously got a mid in there. Much better. Right, on to the next job. Okay, so on to the next job. Bit of sound deadening and some insulation. I've never done this before, but I've watched some YouTube videos, so I should be an expert now. So this is the stuff. Just like a foil sheet, self-adhesive. Yeah, so we'll try and stick some of this in, I guess. I don't think I'm going to tackle the wheel arch on this episode. I'll practice on the straight bits first. Okay, so that is the sound deadening insulation nearly done. I'll let you have a quick look. So put it in them panels at the bottom, got some along the top. I haven't done this one because I'm going to put a fan in there, so I don't. I'll do that afterwards. So pretty happy with it. I haven't dared do the arches yet. We'll save that for another episode. It wasn't too bad doing, really. So yeah. So I think for that is this episode. That's us done. What we're doing outside next. So we've got some wheels and arches and stuff. So in the next episode we'll be putting them on. So until then, catch you on the next one.